Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing a ray tracer. Arnold is the reliable path, then assign an AI standard surface to the geometry. Once done, set metalness or specular to activate reflective behavior. Don't leave roughness at 0. Make sure a sky dome with an H-dry or a proper reflection map is present so reflections have real content. You're doing this now because real reflections need both shader parameters and an environment source to mirror. These two elements are the only foundation you need to proceed. You now fine-tune how the surface returns light. Reduce roughness for sharp, mirror-like reflections or raise it for blurred glints, a range of 0. 0.5 to 0. 35 is a good starting point. Change the index of refraction to control falloff. Glass and plastics differ, so set values between 1 and 3 depending on material. Once adjusted, plug a reflection map or use metalness to toggle dielectric versus metallic response. Finally, raise the shader specular samples to cut noise while keeping render. You finish by adjusting render level controls. Increase ray or reflection depth so mirrors reflect other glossy surfaces correctly, and enable the denoiser to tame remaining grain. Export EXR AOVs like specular and reflection so you can tweak in compositing later. If you see black or missing reflections, inspect the object's normals, confirm the H-dry or sky dome is renderable and not hidden, and verify the shader is assigned to the correct geometry. That single check usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.